Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the addition and subtraction of surd. What is the surds and what are the types of surd if you want to know. So please see the playlist. We already covered these topics. So watch this video and after that you can see understand the addition and subtraction of the surd. So just first take a look. What is the surd? Surds, as we learn about the surds, it's surd. We talk about the surd. Surds is an expression which have one radical terms. Like if we have root 5, so this is called surd because this is this has the radical sign and it cannot be solved furthermore. So this is called surd. If we talk about like 4 root, so it can be simplified like in this way: 2 multiplied by 2, and after that we get the answer is 2. So this is not surd. So first understand about the surd. Surd is if any term, any rational number has the radical sign, so it cannot be solved furthermore. So it is called surd. So now we will learn in this video about addition and subtraction of the surd. So in here, first understand about the addition of surd. Addition can be performed like this way, like if we have a surd like root c and we have the coefficient like a here, and if we have the b and root c, so we can add both of them because the surds are same. Like this one is similar than this one, so both are similar one, so we can add both terms, but we cannot solve this term. Like if we have a c plus b root d, so these are not identical or these are not similar surds, not similar, so we cannot add both of them. So cannot add both of them because the surds are not equal. So first understand like this way. And if we talk about the subtraction, in subtraction we have similar method just like our addition. Like if we have like this terms, both are similar surds, similar one, so we can subtract both of them. If we have like this term, see, so these are not similar one, these are not similar, not similar, so we cannot solve both of them, we cannot subtract both surds, right? Okay, we have some examples. We are following right now a class 9 syntax book book of the math. So you can see some other books and you can follow other books for solving these surds, addition and subtraction. So now we have simplify question number 3 here. Simplify. So here we have first question like 6 3 plus 4 root 2 7 128. So this is the question and we have to add these surd terms. So now we can see like both 3 of these surd equations are not similar, so we cannot easily add them. So what we will do here, what we do is make a rough work here and take LCM of 128. 2 6 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. Right? Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 twos. So we will write this way: 4 root 2 plus 7 and 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. These are 4 5 6 7. Now we will make pairs of them, right? And these pairs will come one outside the root. So 6 root 3, 4 root 2, and 7 multiplied by 2, 1, 2, and 2. And now the remaining one is under root 2, 2. Now we can simplify all of them. 4 root 2, 7 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, multiplied by 2 is 28, multiplied by 2 is 56. We get the 56 root 2. Now we can simplify. Now we can simplify these terms because these have similar surds. So we will do it 6 root 3 and we can add both of them. So 60 root 2. So this is the answer of this question. So this is an example of a surd equation. Now you can see like these surds are not similar, but we simplify 128 surd because we can make it like root 2, and after that we have the similar surd, so we can add both of them. So this is the answer of this question. Now we can take another example, another question number 2. Question number 2 is 2, 10 and root 8. Now we can simplify this surd, which is root 8, and also make rougher here. 8, take LCM of 8, 2 for the 8, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2. So we can make like this way, 2 root 2, 2, and like this way. 2 is outside from because it's make up here, and root 2 upon 10, right? Now we have take LCM. LCM is 10, and keep here is 10, root 2, because 10 is not here, so we will multiply by 2, multiply by 10, and root 2. Now those both terms we can add because both are similar surds, so we can add both of them. So we will say like root 2 plus 20 root 2 upon 10, and if we simplify, is 21 root 2 upon 10. So this is the answer of this question, right? So this is example of another of addition of surd. Now we can take another example. I think we can solve with third one, and after that fourth one. So we can solve question number 3. This is example of 13 plus 15 root 3, 7 minus 6 root 3, right? So, by the way, this is binomial surd because both these has the two terms, so it's called binomial surd. This is also a binomial surd, right? So now how we can simplify both of them? So first we will open the bracket 13, 15 root 3 plus 7 or plus minus 6 root 3, right? Now these terms and these terms we can add both of them, and this one add from this one. Okay, right? So we will arrange first 13 plus 7 and 15 root 3 minus 6 root 3. Both surds are equal, similar. So we can add subtract both of them. 15 minus 6 is 9, right? And root 3 is done. So this is the final answer of this question, right? Now we will solve for question number 4. Now we will solve the question number 4. Question number 4 is 250 root 490, and after that we have 3 root 10, right? So we can see like here all these surds are different ones. So what we will do, we can simplify this surd, which is root 250 and root 490. So what we'll do is say here is 10. So we will simplify from this, like we will make a rougher here. So we will see, first we will divide 250. So we have the 10 here. So what we do is divided by from 10. 10, 20 the, if we divide this, so we will get 250, right? 10, 25 is the 250 we will get. And after that, we will have 5 5 the 25, 5 1 the 5. So we have here 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, right? And if we talk about this one is 490, 10, if we divide by 10, so 10, 49 is the 490, right? And 7 the 49, 7 1 the 7. So we will keep here 10 multiplied by 7, 7. Now we have 3 root 10, and we will make pair here, and because it is pair of 5, so we can get 5 outside from the root. 7 and root 10 plus 3 root 10. Now these all terms are same surds, like root 10 is similar surd. So what we will do is here we can simplify, add all three terms. 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 root 10. This is the answer of this question. So now we will simplify 2 more questions. So first we will take the examples 5 and 6. Fifth is, here we will have addition and subtraction, both of them. So we will simplify this example. 4, 5, right? Now these all terms are different one, right? This is not a similar surd. So what we will do, first we will simplify all these terms. So we will make a rough work here and simplify this way. Like first one is, okay, 5 4s are 20 and 5 9s are 45. And here we have 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So what we get here is 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Now we have 625. So we will simplify this one. 625. First we will divide by 5. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, and 5 5 the 25. Now we will again divide it by 5 from 5, 5 2 the 10, and 5 5 the 25. Then 5 5 the 25, 5 1 the 5, right? So we get here is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Here we get the pair, right? Now here we will simplify 45. 45 is 4 9. Now we will simplify 45. So 5 9 the 45. 5 9 the 45, 45. 5 times the 45, and then we 3 3 the 9, and 3 1 the 3, right? Okay, now we have 5 3 multiplied by 3. So we get the 7 outside from the root because it has the pair, and here both are pairs, so we will get 5 multiplied by 5 outside the root. Here we will get the 3 root 5, right? So this one is not a surd. We can simplify these terms like 7 root 5 minus 3 root 5, and this one is 25, right? Now we multiply, sorry, these are similar sets, so we can subtract both of them, like 7 minus 3 is 4, and we have 5 here, and the answer is this one, 4 root 5 plus 25, right? Now we will solve last question of subtraction, like we have root 10, sorry, 10 multiplied by root 11. Now we have last question number 6 we will solve here, because it belongs from the subtraction of the surds. So 10 multiplied by root 11, and after that 396 and 3 root 11. So these surds are similar, so we can subtract both of them. But what about this one? We will simplify this one. So what we will do is make rough work here. Is 396 and divided by 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 9, 3 3 3 is 9, or 3 2 the 6. Now we can divide it by from 2 to 6 12 to 6 the 12. Now we can also divide it by 2 3 the 6, 2 3 the 6. Now we can divide this from 3 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3. So what we can get here is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by, and here in the last we have 11. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11, right? Here we have the pair, and after that we get 3 root 11, right? Now we will simplify this one. 10 root 11 minus 3 to the 6 root 11 minus 3 root 11. Now we will subtract all these terms. 10 minus 6 is 4, so 4 root 11. And after that we get 3 root 11. So both are similar surds. Both have similar surds. So 4 minus 3 is 1 root 11. So this is the answer of this question. So this is this one the example of subtraction of the surd. So you can you see like how we can add and subtract the surd term if we do not have similar surds in equation. So first we will simplify that term, and after that we can add or subtract those surds. So I hope you understand this lecture. Please subscribe our channel for more video and for more learning.